What's up, guys? Thanks for coming to Gaming Canada with me. My name's Phil, and today we're going to be talking about the 3DS on the Wii U. What on earth did you guys just see? Now, I'm going to be honest with you right now, before you go down to the comments and hate on me, I'm not playing them on a 3DS emulator. I am streaming them from my 3DS to my Wii U, much like you use KitKat to stream the 3DS to your PC. Now, Ash, or Quark the Awesome, has actually gone ahead and made an alpha homebrew program called NTR View, and it works on the Wii U. And when you launch it, and you have NTR custom firmware running on your 3DS, it connects it to your Wii U, shows it on the gamepad as well as the TV. Now, the only restriction at the moment is it doesn't show the bottom screen, but honestly, it's working pretty darn good, and I had a lot of fun filming that intro, and I know people are already in the comments, already mad as hell, so, sorry. Oh yeah, and if you saw, I was using the Wii U Gamepad, and that's because input redirection hasn't been ported over to the Wii U to get the gamepad to control the 3DS. So what I did was run WiinUSoft on my PC, which allowed my Wii U Pro controller to be picked up as an X input device, and then I ran input redirection and then launched input redirection on Rosalina on my 3DS, and this allowed inputs from my PC to be sent over the Wi-Fi to my 3DS. I know, it's a bit complicated, but basically controller to PC, PC to 3DS, and that's how that was working, and it was kind of to trick y'all into thinking that I was actually playing it on the Wii U. But I'm coming clean. I'm coming clean. Well, there isn't much more to this except I might as well show you guys real quick. So if I launch NTR custom firmware on my 3DS. Okay. Custom firmware launched. NTR View on my Wii U. And watch this. It might take a few seconds, but the Wii U's doing some magic behind the scenes right now. And come on. There we go. So now my 3DS is being displayed on my TV that my Wii U is connected to, as well as on the gamepad. Now, if you guys are looking for a tutorial on how to do this, then please go down in the comment section. Let me know. Also, while you're down there, click the like. It really helps out. And if you wanted to subscribe for more interesting content, go ahead and subscribe. Okay guys, I'm going to catch you all later. I'm going to play a few more 3DS games on my big TV here. Much love. Peace.